Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Love You to Pieces bundle, and this is the sweet little card we're going to be making today. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using the Love You to Pieces bundle, and we're going to be using Love You to Pieces and these little hearts here, and then we're going to be using the coordinating framelits. And we'll just get started with our stamping. And I have 2 pieces of Whisper White, and they're just big enough for the puzzle pieces to fit. And these are mounted on clear block C. So let me put some paper under. So we are going to emboss. So I have Love You. And now I'm going to take my lovely lipstick embossing powder. Just like that. Let's put this back. Have you guys seen the new In Colors embossing powders? Look at how cute they are. And we are going to be using Pineapple Punch for 2 pieces. All right. And I'm going to bring in my heat tool. All right, and we will set those aside. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot, and we're going to be using the Big Shot embossing mats. So I'm going to show you how to layer that. For just emboss, you want the Big Shot platform, and then you want your regular cutting pad. Then you're going to have the die face up. So I found it easiest to put it where I want it and then place it down. Then you're going to put your blue silicone sheet, and that's the thinner one. And then the impression pad, which is the white one. And then you're going to run it through like normal. And so it just made the little puzzle piece and it didn't cut them out, which is exactly what we wanted. Okay, we're going to put that aside, and I'm going to bring in my magnetic cutting plate. And then these little pieces. And you will have to run it through 2 times because it comes with one of the little puzzle pieces. All right, so just like that. And then we'll get our other piece here. And I normally use my embossing buddy, but since we were going to cut it out, I didn't think it was necessary. You can if you'd like. All right, and that's all we're using the Big Shot for. So on our little puzzle, I have the little hearts, and those are mounted on clear block A. And I have lovely lipstick. And I just want to put them sporadically here, just like that. All right, so I'm going to take my snail adhesive and this Whisper White is cut at 3 5/8 by 4 7/8. And I'm putting it on some pineapple punch, and that is measured 3 3/4 by 5. And it's just going to make a thin little border. So just like that. And now I have the GROSGRAIN ribbon from the In Colors. And I'm just going to tape it on the back. And I have the pineapple punch and lovely lipstick together. All right, so just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and put this down with some snail adhesive as well. And our card base is lovely lipstick, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. All right, so we're going to put these together. Let me get some Stampin' Dimensionals. So I'm going to put my 2 pieces down first. So just like that. All right, there you have it, a quick and simple card using Love You to Pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any of the supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.